National Park, Aupa Watumohai. We made it!
Mount Bromo. Hello Indonesia! Woohoo! We made it!
Hey Norm, we're coming for you!
Good morning everybody and welcome back here in Kendari on the island of Sulawesi. Our 2 days plan is we want to go from Kendari down here and up to in direction Kolaka.
Got it. Good morning everybody.
Morning, everybody.
We are finally leaving Kendari today. After a few days staying here, catching up with our editing, we are moving on. Oopsie. Yeah, we want to go stroll around the city really quick because we need to stop to look for a cable that I lost. So yeah, might as well looking at Kendari really quick because we haven't gone around really. Alrighty you guys, we got the cable for the drone, thank God. Now we're ready to move on from Kendari. We're heading to Kolaka today, but on the way there we're gonna go visit Pajongan or something like that. It's on the bottom part of Sulawesi Island in the region of Bombana. It looked like a savanna slash hillies area. From here to go to Pajongan, or yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot its name. It will take us about 4.5 hours, and right now it's 9:50 in the morning. The distance is about 225 kilometers, and from there we're gonna shoot it to Kolaka. Kolaka is about 2.5 hours away from the destination. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day for us, and we started a bit late, but we got the important thing. We found a cable for the drone. Yeah, the water looked really weird, huh? Like really green.
It's like a layer on the top.
Yeah, like oil layer or something,
Yeah.
or gasoline or something like that.
Maybe it's kind of stuck in the water.
Yeah, maybe that. At night, this road here, it has like a night market on the side road. Like last time we passed here. But yeah, it looks terrible. Like really polluted or something with the water. Because this is not a river and look like a river, the color of it. It's a beach, by the way, you guys. It's in a bay. Like this is green.
We are now like around 1 hour out of the city, Kendari.
Yeah,
Getting greener, like that.
yeah. I'm surprised actually. It's not far from the city and it's already like forest. A lot of stop areas here for people that is traveling. So my gut feeling is that if there is like this, now far from here we're gonna go into the forest area. Normally it's like that in Java or in Sumatra, but we're in Sulawesi, so it could be different. And plus the weather is not looking promising too. Rain cloud is building. The weather in Indonesia as a whole has been quite extreme here. Like we've been getting messages from people up north in Sulawesi they're saying that the weather is quite extreme out there as well. And then I was talking to my mom. Yesterday she lives in Bali. She said like it's been raining like crazy every day there. Should we look for food here?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a bigger village here. Oh, there's a bathroom too. I mean bathroom. Gas station. We don't need to fill up on this one.
Yeah, we finally found some food. We were looking like for half an hour to an hour. There was literally nothing, only gasoline to buy. And now, what do they have, Ryan?
Nasi goreng with eggs.
Enjoy.
Alright, we just had a really good nasi goreng.
Yep, one of the best I've had so far. Yeah, seriously, I love it so much. In order to go to Bombana, to the savannah, we are going to cross a national park, a national reserve for maybe like savannah area, and the length is about 40k. We're entering the place now. National Park, Aupa Watumohai. Yeah, look at this beautiful savannah. Unfortunately, we cannot drive in there. We can just enjoy it from the road. But it's really pretty here. Look at this. Endless. Yeah. There's a beautiful mountain too on the background. Yep. And there's a main road, national road right in the middle of it. Yeah, I was not expecting this. It's really quiet, no houses, no pollution. 40k of this is refreshing after the hustle and bustle of the city and then the mines and everything. Yeah, I was calling it Trek and also Donkey. They never showed up. Oh, we're already here for 20k now. That was a quick 20k, huh? I've been looking for animals here, I couldn't find any. They say that there are deer, anoas, which is the endemic animal from Sulawesi, and crocodile and black monkeys. I haven't seen any of those. Welcome to Bombana. We're getting closer to our camp spot. Hopefully it's not going to be raining, because it was drizzling a bit in the back of us. Oh, there's a gas station 1 kilo in front of us. But that rain is really hard there. Yeah, me neither. Oh, look, that's swallow nest. If you guys see it there. You see that building, the white building? I don't know if you could see it clearly on video. Like there are like holes on the wall. That's how the birds, the swallow, go in there. So what they're doing is that they're harvesting the nest from the swallow, because in the Chinese medicine, they use it as a medicine. Like they will cook it as a soup. What the purpose of it, I don't know, but that's how they consume it, making it into a soup. Yeah, everywhere. Not just here, everywhere, literally. Oh, that's the gas station. We gotta gas up. Please have fertilizer with not a lot of flying. I'll go first, because you need to fill up your spare.
Yep.
Halo. Iya. Nggak mampu ngisi pertamax lagi. Udah kejauhan jalannya. Digabung ya, Mas? Oke. Sama bisa isiin bensin cadangan, Mas? Nggak boleh ya?
Ada jerigennya nggak?
Ada di belakang itu. Yang aku punya masih penuh. Oh wow, what mountain is that? I think that's Muna. Because oh no, I forgot. There is one island on the left from Muna Island. It's a small island with a volcano. That's clearly a volcano there. And then this is clearly the savannah here. This looks crazy. Wow. Yep. So nice. So pretty, yeah.
Suddenly, yeah.
So beautiful here. Yep. Where can we camp? Maybe somewhere on the hills there, huh? I don't know. Maybe somewhere there would be nice too. Ocean. Yeah. Which hill was that bike coming from? Yeah, it's really pretty here. We want to camp, but it seems like it's gonna be raining like crazy tonight. So I don't know, we might gonna change our mind and go to Kolaka. It's really swampy in this area here. Outside, what is that village? Again, I forgot. I
Right
said,
after the village of Teletubbies.
yeah, I said Bombana. I don't know what village that is in Bombana region. It's really, really wet here.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really salty. And we're still looking for you, Shrek. We're getting closer to Kolaka, you guys. Wow, there's a driving range even here.
Driving away.
Yeah. Oh, I'm on the bottom. Shit.
Ui.
Careful, huh?
Yeah. Took
Yeah.
to the left and suddenly it went down.
Yep, me too. Okay, we can go up here. Up. Guys from Blangsag found us on the road.
Woohoo.
And we're about 13 minutes away from Kolaka. And then maybe we're gonna go hang out with them really quick. But it has been a long day for us. We're then gonna look for a place to stay tonight before continuing our journey tomorrow. Yep, you guys, we are in Kolaka now. I think this is the foodie area here.
Yes, on our left there is the ocean.
Yeah, and then seafood on the right side. It works.
And that's how it looks like mostly here in Indonesia in the cities.
Yeah,
A lot of colorful
lights. Yeah, and then food everywhere.
And we found a place to stay for tonight. We met a group of Blangsak members from the bikers community and had a nice evening, had a drink together. Unfortunately, I couldn't make a video because there was background music because of copyrights. And yes, so I'm going to show you now on the map where we drove through today. So we started in Kendari and took the main road. There was a beautiful national park where we were looking for Shrek. And then unfortunately it was dark when we were riding along the coastal. But we could see the ocean was actually really nice. And now we are in Kolaka. That's our checkered flag. There was a long ride, but it was actually very nice because I was expecting palm trees, but there was none. There were a lot of coconut trees. And the national park and the Teletubbies hills looked awesome. So yeah, it was a nice ride. And I hope you guys also like our today's video. If you did, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then yeah, see you on the next video.